Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Talk English Now. This is the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah, your English teacher.
Hello, everyone. I'm Alex. I am learning English with you.
How are you today, Alex?
I'm good, thank you. My day is calm so far. I had a cup of coffee this morning.
That sounds nice. Coffee is very popular in the morning.
Yes, I need coffee to wake up.
Today's topic is very useful. We are talking about daily routines.
That's a great topic. Everyone has a daily routine.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to Talk English Now. It really helps us.
And share this video with a friend who is learning English.
Alex, what is a daily routine?
A daily routine is what we do every day.
Exactly. Things like waking up, eating, working, and sleeping.
We talk about these things all the time.
Yes, that is why daily routines are perfect for English practice. Now we will listen to a short story.
Our friend Lena shared her daily routine with us.
Listen carefully to the words and the time.
Let's listen.
Hello, my name is Lena. I want to tell you about my daily routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. every weekday. I don't like waking up early, but my job starts early. First, I get out of bed. Then I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I feel more awake. Next, I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee. I love coffee. While the coffee is ready, I check my phone. After that, I get dressed. I wear simple clothes for work. I don't wear fancy clothes. Then I eat breakfast. I usually eat toast with butter. Sometimes I eat fruit too. At 7 a.m., I leave my house. I go to work by bus. The bus ride takes about 30 minutes. I arrive at work at 7:30 a.m. I work in an office. I check emails and start my work. At 12 p.m., I eat lunch with my co-workers. We talk and laugh. In the afternoon, I continue working. Sometimes I have meetings. My workday ends at 4:30 p.m. After work, I go home and relax. In the evening, I make dinner. I spend time with my family. Before bed, I take a shower and read a book. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m. That is my daily routine. Thank you.
Thank you, Lena. That was very clear.
Yes, very clear and simple.
She used many time words. 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 12 p.m.
Time words are very important when we talk about our day.
I also like the verbs. Wake up, go to work, eat lunch.
Yes, these are everyday English words.
Her morning routine is very normal.
Many people wake up, brush teeth, and drink coffee.
Coffee is very important.
Yes, coffee helps many people start the day.
She goes to work by bus.
That is very common in many cities.
I go to work by bus too.
I drive to work, so routines can be different.
But many parts are the same.
Alex, tell us about your routine.
Okay. I wake up at 7 a.m.
That is later than Lena.
Yes. I brush my teeth and wash my face.
Same as Lena.
Then I make coffee. Always coffee.
Of course.
I eat breakfast at home. Then I go to work.
Do you eat lunch at work?
Yes. I usually bring food from home.
That is healthy and easy. Now let's practice speaking. Repeat after me. I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I go to work by bus.
I go to work by bus.
Your turn. Say one sentence about your routine. Lena relaxes in the evening.
That is very important.
Relaxing helps our body and mind.
She eats dinner and spends time with family.
Family time is very special.
Then she reads and sleeps at 10:30 p.m.
Good sleep is very important. Let's recap today's lesson.
We learned how to talk about daily routines.
We learned verbs and time words.
And we practiced speaking simple sentences.
Now it's your turn.
Write one thing you do every day.
For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. Your homework is easy.
Write one or two sentences about your daily routine.
Thank you for watching Talk English Now.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Keep practicing your English.